This is the only coin. Should I spend it on food?
Brother, how much are these biscuits?
Ummi, I'm hungry.
Please be patient, child. I have nothing.
Sister, please take this coin. Get something for the child.
Oh, no, son. This is all you have? Right?
Yes, but you need it more.
May God give you more, son. People like you are the light in this world.
Hey, brother, were you the one who helped that mother and child?
Yes?
Take this. Someone gave this as a reward for your kindness.
Maybe this is the true wealth, to be of use to someone.